Pakistan.
Assalamualaikum Pakistan. You are tuned into FM 100 and listening to RJ Adil live on the show called Spotlight Talk Show. That's right, listeners, you're listening to me live on FM 100. हमारा और आपका साथ रहेगा ठीक 10 बजे तक. In this show, usually we pick up a topic and have a discussion over it, जिसमें आपकी participation और आपकी feedback भी गाहे बगाहे आती रहती है. Which would be coupled with some great music. बहुत अच्छा music भी आपके लिए हम line up करते हैं इस show में. Participation again is very much encouraged in the show. That will be the theme. And other than that, the numbers on which you can contact, जिस पे आप राब्ता कर सकते हैं और अपनी input दे सकते हैं, that will be 3636 for the text message. And number to call would be 111 111 100. टॉपिक कुछ आप लोगों को बताता चलूं जी. आज का जो हमने प्रोग्राम के लिए टॉपिक सेलेक्ट किया है वो है if our media is a source of awareness. If you agree, then you have to tell us. If not, then yes, again you have to tell us. Again, the topic would be our media is a source of awareness. That is what you have to tell me. If you agree or disagree, on 3636, that's the number to text, and call will be 111 100. RJ Adil with you. Gonna play first track of the show. That will be the great Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. The best ever and the great Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan that was. You're listening to me live on FM 100. RJ Adil. You are tuned into the Spotlight Talk Show. So guys, your messages I am receiving time by time. I really appreciate your participations as well as the topic for today, which I'm going to tell you. Topic is our media is a source of awareness. If you agree or disagree, and what's your take on it, share that on 3636. That's the number to text. For a call, number will be 111 100. Furthermore, जिन लोगों ने हमें message किया, I'll quickly mention the name who are tuned into FM 100 right now. We have Hanan Hokain, who says, who actually is loving the show and loving the voice as well. Thank you very much, Hanan. Furthermore, we have Ali Zaib Khan appreciating the show, and then we have Muazzam Ishaq from Aptabad loving the show again. Thank you very much, Muazzam. Other than that, we have Jamal Lashari who's tuned in. Fahad Abbasi bhi ji hame sun rahe hain. We have Ahmed Bilal with us. Furthermore, we have Shah Abdul Razak Shah who's tuned in. We have Veer Kumar who is tuned in as well. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. We have Rana Rashid who just liked the show as well, and we have Rashid Ilyas who's also tuned in as well. Alright guys, so topic आज का मैं आपको बताता चलूँ once again, that is जो हमारा media है, is it a source of awareness these days or not? इसके बारे में आपने बताना है 3636 पर via text. Do mention your name. And if you would like to call, 111 100. Stay tuned with me. A quick news update, and I'll be right back with you guys.
Across the nation. This is FM 100 Network.
Alright listeners, RJ Adil, you are tuned into FM 100. Topic for today again is our media is a source of awareness. If you agree or disagree, what's your take on it? इसके बारे में जी आप बता सकते हैं 3636 पे टेक्स्ट के जरिए और कॉल के जरिए भी बता सकते हैं by calling 11111 मीडिया की बात करते चलें जी. Talking about media, media and public awareness, actually it can change opinions. मीडिया की जितना अब डोमिनेंस है किसी भी सोसाइटी पे, it has access to people and this actually gives it a lot of strength. जितनी ज़्यादा एक्सेस उनकी हो गई हुई है दुनिया में लोगों के ऊपर, जितनी उसकी व्यूअरशिप है, उसकी बेस पे मीडिया बहुत बहुत ताकतवर है ओपिनियंस चेंज करने पे, और उसके पास बड़ी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है. If we further talk about how the responsibilities are shared amongst the media people. Now talking about the strength, ये जो ताकत मीडिया को मिल गई हुई है, that can either be used constructively by educating the people, or it can be used destructively by misleading the innocent people, propaganda. So दोनों तरीके होते हैं लोगों के पास, या जो मीडिया पीपल और talking about media in general, they have both the options in front of them. Now they have to choose whether they want to play a constructive role by educating people or maybe mislead them. तो ये दो aspects हैं जो मीडिया से कवर होती हैं, जिसके बारे में आप लोगों का भी साथ हमें चाहिए, आप लोगों की ओपिनियन भी हमें चाहिए कि what actually do you think about media. Furthermore, to add on it, power of the media can transform the whole society, especially in developing countries. ये एक research है जिस पे ये actually बात derive हुई है, जिससे it can be used as a weapon of mass destruction by propagating or maybe developing a propaganda in a certain society. But I think the most important use of media is to educate the people about the basic human rights. That is what I personally think कि media का जो role है वो it should be, the primary focus should be to educate the people about the basic human rights. Now the dilemma of the developing country is that the people are not fully aware of their basic rights, and if they know, they don't know about what to do and where to go. That is something which is an observation, my own observation as well. Now, talking about the rights, they don't know about what to do and where to go. They don't know their collective strength. Even they don't know how to protest and what is the importance of protests itself. So these are few things which I have observed, and I think, in my opinion, again, my little opinion, I would actually think that this is the responsibility of media. So you have to share your thoughts with us as well, and tell us, do you think our media is a source of awareness? If you agree or disagree, do give me the reason as well, and share that on 3636 with RJ Adil. Coming up for you, Nadia by Jeff Beck. Stay tuned.
Get dialing 111-111-100.
Alright listeners, welcome back. RJ Adil with you on FM 100. You are tuned in to topic again, people who just tuned in. Topic for today is, our media is a source of awareness. If you agree or not, give me a reason as well on 3636 3636 नंबर है जिस पे आप मैसेज कर सकते हैं, और साथ साथ अगर आप कॉल पे पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहें, नंबर है 111-111-100. And if you are dialing from your cell phone, 051 would be the city code. So listeners, as we are discussing about the role of the media as for the spreading of the awareness, काफ़ी हद तक हम देखते हैं जी मीडिया कमर्शलाइज भी हो चुका है काफ़ी हद तक, जिसमें बाय दैट आई मीन कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम स्लॉट्स जो हैं वो अवेयरनेस की जगह और मे बी लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स की जगह कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट्स को भी दी जाती हैं, जो कि इट इज समथिंग विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड इन दिस फील्ड, बट नॉट, इसमें एक बहुत ही सटल किस्म का बैलेंस बहुत ज़रूरी है, जिसमें it shouldn't be totally based upon commercial ads, या फिर उसकी टोटल जो अप्रोच होनी चाहिए वो ऐसी नहीं होनी चाहिए कि ज़्यादा वक्त जो है वो कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट को दिया जाए और जो बाकी मेन मकसद होता है किसी भी मीडिया का वो डिक्लाइन होता जाए या वो फिर डिटीरियोरेट होता जाए. इस सिलसिले में दिस इज़ अगेन माई ओपिनियन, एंड if you have such opinion regarding media, you can share that with us as well. What we think is media should portray the facts and they should not transform the reality. जो असल बात है उसी जो हकायक पे मबनी है उसी को ही पहुंचाया जाए आवाम तक, उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म ना किया जाए, उसको ट्विस्ट ना किया जाए या मैनिपुलेटिव मैसेजेस ना दिए जाएं. तो रियलिटी शुड बी reflected through media. Awareness should be reflected through media. Education and discipline is the key to the progress. And इसके बारे में जितनी awareness या आगाही फैलाई जा सकती है, that is something which should be done by media. Furthermore, talking about media, this is the difference between a nation and a crowd. Media men have access to people and they have an audience. जब आपके पास audience होती है तो आपके पास उतनी ही responsibility भी fall in करती है. It should be very responsible in their messages and जो असल essence है media के होने की उसको हर time पे focus पे रखा जाए. If you see that any program runs in media, it has an impact on people who actually listen or maybe follow to such programs. इसमें age group wise भी हम इसको bifurcate कर सकते हैं. मतलब if we talk about talk shows, maybe that is something which elder people or our parents maybe are very interested to listen to or maybe watch. तो कुछ ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स, इसी तरह डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, यूथ प्रोग्राम्स भी होते हैं, एंड जो उसमें मैसेज और एसेंस जो होता है उसका या सबलिमिनल मैसेज भी जो होता है उस प्रोग्राम का और उस सर्टेन टॉक शो का, दैट शुड बी वेरी पॉजिटिव और इट शुड हाईलाइट द एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम्स और जो जिंदगी के मकासद हैं जो इन इट्स ट्रू एसेंस उनको पोर्ट्रे किया जाए. दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज the responsibility of media. What you have to say about it, आपका क्या ख्याल है इस बारे में? You can share that with us on 3636 via text message. और नंबर पे भी आप कॉल सकते हैं, कॉल कर सकते हैं 111-111-100. Coming up next is Mahi Mera by Ali Sethi. Stay tuned with us. Alright, so we have our caller who would like to participate on air with us, Zainab Noor from Haripur. Let me take her on air. Hello.
Hello.
Zainab, क्या हाल है आपका?
मैं ठीक ठाक, आप सुनाएं?
बहुत बेहतरीन, कैसी हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक. गर्मी जो है वो आज से होना शुरू हो गई है.
Absolutely, आज से तो नहीं, काफी दिनों से हो रही है.
नहीं, अभी तो पिछले दिनों बहुत अच्छा मौसम था. हरीपुर में तो बहुत अच्छा था.
ओके ज़ैनब, टॉपिक सुना आपने?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल मैंने सुना और आई थिंक इट्स अ क्वाइट जनरल टॉपिक. मीडिया को जो है हम कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स सोशल मीडिया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एंड प्रेस. एंड व्हाट आई थिंक इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया एंड सोशल मीडिया हैव अ लार्जर इम्पैक्ट देन प्रेस मीडिया.
एब्सोल्युटली.
बिकॉज प्रेस मीडिया में आप अगर अखबार वगैरह देख लें, अखबार आजकल की नहीं पढ़ते कोई भी. बहुत कम लोग हैं जो अब न्यूज़पेपर्स पे रह गए हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया भी किसी हद तक है, लेकिन सोशल मीडिया जो है वो ज़्यादा हमारे पास अवेलेबल है, आप कह सकते हैं.
तो सोशल मीडिया में तो बेसिकली सॉरी टू कट यू बट सोशल मीडिया में तो काफ़ी सोर्सेज हैं जो बेसिकली who have a control over it, मतलब एक general people do have a control over it. And I think जितना parental control कम लोगों के पास होता है, लेकिन जो platforms होते हैं where people can discuss, where people can share their thoughts, वो एक general आवाम के पास बहुत आराम से available होता है.
बिल्कुल कि वहाँ पे अवेयरनेस की बात कम होती है, वहाँ पे आपकी ओपिनियन ज़्यादा चलती है.
Absolutely.
आप क्या सोच रहे हैं, आप करेक्ट बात भी नहीं, आप करेक्ट बात ही सोच रहे होंगे. तो ये बस ये बात है कि अट्रैक्ट करती है जो मीडिया है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया, सोशल मीडिया अट्रैक्ट करता है लोगों को. तो अट्रैक्ट करता है, इसीलिए लोग जो हैं उनकी बात सुन भी लेते हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया में हमारे पास ज़्यादा अच्छे मीडियम्स हैं. आप सॉन्ग या ड्रामा या डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज हैं.
Now, if we talk about a simple television media जो basically घरों में देखा जाता है, इस मीडिया की अगर हम बात करें, इनकी कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप समझती हैं, या फिर डू यू थिंक कि ये सोर्स हैं अब अवेयरनेस के या नहीं?
अब तो हैं, अब बिल्कुल हैं. पहले जो है इस मीडिया का काम सिर्फ एंटरटेनमेंट था, लेकिन अब ये एंटरटेनमेंट से आगे बात चली गई है और अब अवेयरनेस आ भी रही है. आप शोज देखें भी तो अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स हैं और वो बहुत अच्छे हैं.
एंड डू यू थिंक द बैलेंस इज राइट, मतलब जितना कमर्शलाइज है या फिर प्रोपेगेंडा भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व होता है? आई मीन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वर्ल्ड एक्चुअली, यू नो कोई चीज़ अगर आपने एक जनरल पब्लिक के दिमाग में डालनी है, या फिर कोई यू नो जस्ट अ प्रोपेगेंडा आई वुड से, और मे बी नॉट द,
ये भी जो है आपकी परसेप्शन पे भी आई थिंक डिपेंड करता है. परसीव इस चीज को किस तरह कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक सो.
So what percentage would you give? I mean accuracy और जो actual मकसद है मीडिया का, out of 100 कितने % वो अपनी जिम्मेदारी सही से निभा रहे हैं?
I think it's 50-50.
50-50. Okay, great.
Well, हर पर्सन अपना मर्जी की चीज जो है वो एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है, ये भी बात है. हर बंदा अपनी मर्जी की चीज देखना चाहता है.
Absolutely.
बहुत बड़ा हाथ है.
Thank you very much, Zainab, for calling in and participating in the show as always you do.
Okay, it's a pleasure.
Nice talking to you. Take care. Allah Hafiz. That was Zainab from Haripur. Always, she has some great thoughts to share with us. If you would like to participate in the show, 11111 is the number and 3636 is the number to text in. RJ Adil with you live on FM 100. Stay tuned with me.
Get dialing 111-111-100.
Alright listeners, we have another caller with us, Miss Aisha from Islamabad. She's calling in. Let me take her on air. Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
जी आयशा, आप इस्लामाबाद से बात कर रही हैं गालबन. कैसी हैं आप?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
So Aisha, you've been listening to the show. We have a topic, our media is a source of awareness, if you agree or not. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
Yes, it's a source of sharing information. But one thing I'm very much against with whenever even any sort of accident or event takes place, people, rather than to helping the person who is suffering, they start to make the videos.
Absolutely.
And then they going to upload it for just getting the likes.
Bilkul Aisha, I would certainly agree with you on this. This is something which I have witnessed myself as well. और ये I don't know how we can put it. Is it a side effect or maybe of open sources of media के लोग इस तरफ इतना रुझान हो गया? और believe me, I have seen people even during the accidents, वहाँ पे लोग इंस्टेड के you know एक जज्बा होता है कि आपने कुछ नहीं करना तो मतलब एटलीस्ट आप वीडियो नहीं बनाओ ऐसे मौके पे. This is again my personal opinion.
It is a shameless thing, the people which are indulging their
Okay.
it is inhumanity.
बिल्कुल ऐसा, दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच वी स्ट्रिक्टली कंडेम. इस तरह से नहीं होना चाहिए. और इंसानियत के नाते आपने अगर मदद नहीं भी करनी है, कम से कम आप उस चीज का बिल्कुल
take the taste of the event or don't enjoy the event.
Absolutely.
Don't depress the other people by making the videos of the rubbish things if you're not going to help.
We certainly second you.
Then please इतना तो कैलिबर होना चाहिए आप.
Absolutely. एक रिस्पेक्ट होती है, एक सेल्फ एस्टीम होती है. बिल्कुल.
चाहे जाहिल भी हो ना, एक जाहिल कौन होता है मुझे नहीं पता. मेरा ख्याल है जो जिन्होंने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा होता वो भी बहुत अच्छे.
बिल्कुल. आयशा, ये तो हो गई उन लोगों की बात, ये उस सोर्स की बात हो गई.
तरबियत ऐसी थी कि आगे आने वाली नस्ल बहुत अच्छी थी.
ठीक है.
तो जाहिल तो वो है ना जिसके अंदर इंसानियत ही नहीं है, दर्द ही नहीं है,
ठीक है,
एहसास ही नहीं है.
आयशा, ये तो हमने बात कर ली सोशल मीडिया की. एंड नाउ लेट्स कम ऑन टू द मीडिया, जो एक बड़ा प्रोमिनेंट मीडिया है. फॉर एग्जांपल न्यूज़ चैनल्स आउट देयर, और मे बी जो जनरल एक मीडिया होता है, दुनिया की हम बात कर रहे हैं, वी आर नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू पाकिस्तान ओनली. इसके बारे में व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि मतलब ये अपना फर्ज सही से निभा रहे हैं, या इज इट टू कमर्शलाइज्ड नाउ, or maybe they participate in not getting the fact right out to the public. What's your take on that?
देखिए, कहते हैं वो जिसने सबके लिए सोचना होता है ना, वो एवरेज सोच का मालिक नहीं होता. तो कुछ बचकाना है, वो अपनी बस वही बच्चों वाली, यहाँ पहुँच गए, चेक इन हो गया, ये खा रहे हैं, वो खा रहे हैं. दिस इज नॉट द थिंग यू आर गोइंग टू प्रमोट एंड यू आर
नो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द अदर मीडियम ऑफ द मीडिया. ये तो आपने उनकी बात कर दी ना, जो सोशल मीडिया है, जैसे फेसबुक हो गया या बाकी एक सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म्स हो गए. मैं उस मीडिया की बात कर रहा हूँ जो टीवी में हम लोग रोजाना घर देखते हैं, उस मीडिया की जो अच्छा, ओके, अच्छा, नाइस, दैट इज नाइस.
टीवी पे जो एक मॉर्निंग शोज का एक इशू चला हुआ है, वो एक फजील सी चीज है. डोंट लाइक,
चले,
वेरी मच अगेंस्ट ऑफ इट.
I see. That's again your personal opinion, Aisha. We really appreciate you calling in. और आपने
I'm sorry to say, एक मुंह जितने मुंह है उतनी बात है. तो हर कोई अपनी तरफ से
चले
ज्ञान बांट रहा है, तो इट इज आल्सो डिप्रेशन.
सही है. आयशा, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कॉलिंग इन. वी अप्रिशिएट योर इनपुट, और आपने जिस तरह से बताया, वी सर्टेनली डू एग्री विद यू टू सम एक्सटेंट. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज जी, ख्याल रखें अपना. अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी. कौन, कहाँ से बात कर रहे हैं?
बात कर रहा हूँ.
उस्मान, कहाँ से?
लंदन से बात कर.
उस्मान, माय ओल्ड फ्रेंड. उस्मान, कैसे हैं आप? कैसे हैं आप?
I'm good, thank you so much.
That's nice.
How about you?
I'm very well, thank you for asking, man. I've been missing you, man.
Same here, but where you been? I haven't seen you, around.
Well, actually, we have different timings every quarter. So usually we do announce our show timings. तो उसमें होता है कि every quarter when the show changes, तो if you miss out some shows, तो उसमें फिर आपको पता नहीं लगता यूजुअली टाइम जब चेंज हम करते हैं अपने शोज का एक्चुअली. सो दैट इज a healthy activity that we carry out, and these days my shows are going on air on Tuesdays, but from 8:30 to 10 p.m. usually. This is my show timing now.
That's a perfect timing for me because roughly I finish my work this time normally, and with DJ Jennifer, she used to host too many shows this time.
Absolutely.
I think she's been disappeared as well.
No, she's doing the shows as well. You need to keep listening to FM 100, and we will surprise you with the new timings. All right.
That's lovely. I will do, definitely.
Yeah, so we keep the listeners curious. Anyways, Usman, you're listening to the show?
Yeah, I am.
You know the topic?
Yeah, that's really interesting topic, because of media. You're talking about media, am I right?
Absolutely. Our media is a source of awareness, agree or not. And ideally you can also give some reasons to it. So do you really think the media these days is participating in spreading awareness and doing the right job?
I mean, you can't say they are absolutely right, you know.
Mm-hmm.
For some extent, they are.
What percentage would you give out of 100? I mean, being what percentage is the right job done? I mean,
yeah. But the thing is, you know, if you talk about international media, like here,
mm-hmm.
I prefer like they are doing better than in our media because
Mm-hmm.
I personally believe it's just my personal view, you know. Our
Opinion.
media is under influence, you know, about, let's talk about like, you know, a few families, they are controlling all over the media, do you know what I mean?
Well, that's happening all around the world, no?
I know, you know, I know where you're coming from exactly. This
Mm-hmm.
is my point here. All this media is being influenced from, you know, I don't want to say that, but
Mm-hmm.
I know this is from Jewish people and all that, you know, but
Mm-hmm.
at the end of the day, you know, like, but our media, because it's been like a newborn baby, you know, it's
Mm-hmm.
not like, have not been for too long yet. So they are learning, and I can see they are learning really fast, but at the moment, they are just, I mean, they are not that good, but, you know, nothing is good in the beginning, but with the time they do get, you know, there where they're supposed to be. So, believe like they are on their direction, but now or later they will be there, yeah.
Okay. Well, other than the matureness of the media that we have, or maybe you could say the influence factor that you're talking about on our media, now talking about basic rights, basic human rights, or getting the right message to the right people, what percentage would you like to give to our media out of 100 that they are doing their right job? I mean, is it 50% right job done, or 70%, 30%?
Well, talking about our media, I think, let's say it's not even though 50 yet, I'm sorry to say that, but,
Mm-hmm.
you know, like, I personally believe it's going to be fall between like 20 to 30, you know, because
20 to 30 right job done, right?
Yeah, 20
Okay.
or 30%, I believe, personally.
All right. So 70% is, you could say, more commercialized, or maybe other factors.
Yeah, more commercialized, you know, because, you know, everybody's thinking about their own profit and stuff. You know, some, you know, businesses, they are not for profit. They are for, like, you know, social stuff as well.
Mm-hmm.
So I believe if they change their mind towards, like, you know, more socializing, like, they speak to the people, like, you know, the people who
Mm-hmm.
deserve being under coverage and all that.
Right.
I mean, like, yeah, this will helpful for them. But at the moment, I
Mm-hmm.
mean, this is more commercialized, and they talk about, you know, the things which are not important to anyone.
General
who is
public.
watching there.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Usman, for your take on it and your input on the topic. And thank you for calling us from far, far away.
Well, I'm not too far, you know. It's really just few numbers away now. You guys are anyway. But I do appreciate you guys as well, because the way you do manage to speak to me and stuff. So really, feel happy after talking to you.
Likewise, Usman. It's a two-way street, man. And it's always lovely talking to you and getting your thoughts on air. Thank you very much for calling in.
Welcome. Take care. I love you.
Bye now. Allah Hafiz. Alright guys, ye the Usman from London, a regular listener again. If you guys would like to participate, 111 is the number to call in, and 3636 is the number to text in. Arjad live with you on FM 100. Stay tuned with me. Alright listeners, time to mention the names of the people who are participating by text messages. We have a lot of people. We have Safdar, who's tuned in with us, and then we have Khawar Mahmood Gul from Murray, who messaged in. Akbar Khan hamare saath hain Karachi se. Then we have Rana Rashid, who is tuned in, and Ali Zaib Khan from Bala Garhi, who's tuned in with us. Furthermore, we have Ghulam Mustafa who's tuned in. Hania is listening to us. Akbar Khan is also tuned in. We have Zainab Noor Siddiqui who is tuned in with us. Nisar Ahmad is also listening to our show. We have Mehtab Daniel who is listening to FM 100 right now. Furthermore, we have Hafiz Muhammad Shahroz who is listening to us. Rashid Ilyas is also tuned in with us on FM 100. Furthermore, listeners, आपको बताता चलूं जी मीडिया की जैसे हम बात कर रहे हैं, again a great responsibility falls on the media to getting the right message out and make sure कि जो भी वो चीज़ या message convey कर रहे हैं, looking at the masses they cover as per the viewership, इसमें उनके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा responsibility बनती है और any news that they disperse or maybe publish, they need to make sure कि उसकी जो है पूरे तरीके से उसकी background check हुआ है या फिर verify हुई भी है news और उसके बाद they should send out the right message. Furthermore, the commercial aspect of that is something that will remain there, but उसको थोड़ा सा कम करने की कोशिश की जाए तो बेहतर होगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा awareness or human rights or you could say the right messages they should be conveyed. And as for the percentage, what would I give? I would certainly say it would be 40% the right thing done and 60% is commercialized these days. Anyways, guys, with this percentage, I think we are almost moving towards the dying minutes of my show. Before I leave you guys, you can catch me live every Tuesday between 8:30 p.m. till 10 p.m. RJ Adil is my name. You can find me on the Facebook, on the official Facebook page of FM 100. And once you like the official Facebook page of FM 100, you can find me there under the name of RJ Adil. Till the next time we meet, I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. RJ Adil signing off, leaving you with a great track that will be Pataka Gudi. Allah Hafiz.